up guys, I'm Misako Rocks. Today, let's draw Misty from Pokémon. Okay, so this is a guideline. It's really easy. And we're gonna draw her sunshine energetic smile, okay? So let's start drawing from her eyelid, okay? So the Pokemon gym trainer's eyelid, what I notice is not the eyelid, sorry, eyelid and eye, they tend to have a pretty long, and her eye itself is a little skinnier, right? But it's kind of a Misako style I want to show you today. So, her eye, we're going to do a little rounder, but length is going to be same as original style, okay? And go like this. And then let's do same thing other side, please. Go like that. Da, 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 da. Okay, nice. I want to draw, oh, can you draw a little, oh, sorry, I think in my hair was covering a little. Okay, semi-eyelid line like this, and then let's do other side too, here a little bit. And then 1, 2, 3, something like that. Okay. And then we're gonna draw kind of the same shape, same size. What? It should be a little longer. Should be a little longer. Whoa, I tried to fix it. What do you think? Good? I think it's good. Okay, and then her nose right here. Okay, so since she has such a long, pretty big eyes, right? That means nose and lips, everything is going to be super close to each other for today. That's the kind of expression. So that means her mouth, oh, gotta make sure, kind of like this. The style is, it's not too wide, little shorter here, but long. Okay, that's the like kawaii, I guess, more smile, the style for this one. What am I trying to say? Any what? Yeah, that's the style. Okay. And then we are going to start drawing her a face line. So inside of this guideline, let's start drawing from here. So slightly in. I'm going to tilt it a little bit. I'm going to go a little down here. Here we go. Go right there. So her chin is going to be right underneath her mouth. Then add a little too skinny. I think this is good. It's a little maybe sharp. You can go little bit around a little down. Okay, that might be better. Okay. You know what? You know what? I completely forgot drawing inside of eyes. I'm sorry about that. Here for this, can you draw here like that? So the shiny bubble I usually normally show like round one, but for this, go like this. It's pretty one big shiny bubble. And black bubble in the middle. Black bubble in the middle. And the style I want to show you today is we're going to add a little more like black line on the top like this. Here, extra lines, okay? Kind of like that. All right, and then we are going to start drawing her hair. So the hair bangs is going to be divided 3 sections, side, middle, side. And this side is going to be pretty thick, okay? So I'm going to go here. Let's go from a middle section here. Go like this. And we're going to draw her eyebrows a little later. Go like that. I think this is cute. Oh, can go more, little long. Slightly little long. Okay. Then let's go here. And we're gonna go here, here, and here. Right, nice. And we're gonna start drawing a nice round head shape from the right side. Okay. And her side ponytail, it's gonna start from here. Oh, I went to up. Go like here. So let's start drawing in this section from the top, okay? Okay, so this section is gonna be one of the most important part for Misty's hairstyle because this side is really heavy. I'm gonna go down a little like this. Here like that. And then go like this. First, it's gonna be first layer. What I meant is the top layer like this. And then second layer comes in. Kind of like that. And then let's go a little bit long like this. I think this is good. Then the hair goes up, up, up. Kind of like that. Yeah, cute. And then let's go sort of a scrunchy. Okay. Then her ponytail start with a little short hair like this. Here. And goes up. I'm going to go down a little bit. And then let's more up, up. Slightly down there. Here we go. Because if ponytail or even braided hair looking the same direction, everything looking up, 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 it's kind of boring. So I want to draw like some of them going up, but some of them down like this. So mixed, just change the direction and a little bit of, what am I going to say? The length, okay? Then down there, let's draw her neck, okay? And she's wearing a tank top here. Go like that. Tank top here. And then we're gonna do Togepi behind her shoulder, which is gonna be so cute. Here, go like this. I'm gonna go down here. This side we don't need to worry about so much. Hey. Nice. Okay. So guideline for Togepi, round. Pretty much just round here. Okay. I'm not good at drawing. I'm just telling you already. I'm not good at drawing a simple shape so much. So let's do step by step. So first it's going to be like a star shape on the top. Okay. Here I'm going to go down there a little bit. Here, 1, 2, little down. This section, same thing. Hi. Then it's like an egg shape here, okay? Okay, yeah. 1, zigzag, 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 zig. Here we go. Good. Ooh, and then he got tiny cute little hand here, sticking up like this. And his body keeps going. And his foot. Kind of like this. Looks like a leaf, okay? Here. Oh, I'm going to draw her arm a little more. And then like this. Oh, kawaii. Okay, good. Inside of this face, it's going to be his smile. Okay. So his his eyes are really close to the top side. Like that. Hi. Go like this. I did it. I think I did a good job. Whew. And then let's add a patterns here. Here. Wait. Hey, something like this. Nice. Ooh, you know what? I want to add a little bit more hairline. Here. Go kind of like, a little bit of like more, show kind of fluffy hair, okay? Style. So let's clean up a pencil line a little bit and then we're going to start coloring. All right, let's go. If you like kawaii manga and animals, you love my new book, How to Draw Kawaii Manga Pets. It's packed with dogs and cats and small animals, even fantasy animals. I'm going to show you how to draw them step by step with YouTube tutorials. Scan a QR code to get your copy. And now let's get back to the video. Okay, so these are color choices. Sample colors. It's going to be tons of orange, a red, blue, and a little creamy tone. Okay, so first we're gonna add a color her Misty's skin and nice orange hair. Those two colors, okay? So let's start coloring. Let's go. Now we're gonna start adding a little bit more dark orange or ginger tone or light brown if you have. That would be great, because what I want to do is, especially this side hair, we add a few layers, right? So I want you to add a little like a dark orange underneath here, kind of like this, maybe around the bangs here too. Okay, and between bangs here, little like just a little shadow like that. That would be great. And then it's more here side too. Oh, a little bit up here. If you can add little like small lines like this, that would be great. Something like this. And here, and the side, this section is going to be a little in shadow. So let's add a little dark orange or ginger tone, please. All right, and a ponytail too. Like a maybe 1/3 bottom ponytail, little like a darker tone. And the edge a few here. Here we go, something like this. So, you know, there are two tones going on. Her hair. What am I trying to say? I was thinking something else same time. Sorry, guys. All right. Now, we're going to add her. Oh, hey, eyebrows. I forgot. Up. Right there. Sorry, please add that. And then we're going to add dark turquoise, 1/3 top. From a middle to bottom, really light, please. Dark turquoise goes really light. Okay, then you have a cream tone here. That's gonna be, I'm gonna go up a little, tank top. It can be like a light yellow too. And then Togepi. Okay, here, not his shell here. Go like this. Da, 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 da. And then blue, we're gonna go down. Hey. Scrunchy. And also his pattern here. One. I'm gonna go up, sorry. Go like that. Okay, and red. Here we go. And maybe inside of his mouth a little. Here, tongue. Her tongue too can go red, right? And a pink, do you have? Cheek. Because like Misty, by the way, her name is Kasumi in Japanese. Such a like a sunny, bright smile. So even her cheek lines can be kind of a round, much more, you know, kawaii style. We can add it, and the inside of a mouth too. Here a little bit like that. Okay. But if you have any sort of like a neon yellow or orange, which I have, this is a Prisma color pencil, neon orange. Here, this section you can add as like a shiny hair. Little touch like this. Okay, here we go. So, in the end, what I like to do is I'm going to introduce you her name in Japanese, and I'm going to write down his name in Japanese too. All right, so I'm going to slowly go here. You see her face here. So I'm going to write down her name, Kasumi Togepi here. All right, let's go. Kasumi. Okay, this is Kasu. So Kasumi means actually, yeah, misty. So it makes sense. And Togepi here, okay, Togepi. 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Togepi. Circle, hyphen. This is to. Ge. Pi, hyphen. Okay. Yes, we did it. Tala! Yay! Kasumi, Misty and Togepi! So kawaii! I just love her hairstyle and a smile. Such a sunny, energetic smile. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have more requests, write it down here. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Arigato! See you next video. Bye-bye! One more thing, take a look at my book collection, my graphic novel series, Bounce Back, and activity book series, How to Draw Kawaii Manga. Arigato!